All right, I got this side done. So we have the caliper bracket right there, and as you can see, you need to push this in, but you need to turn it just like a rear MR2, I think it was. So you do need one of these. This is gonna be the number 6 on this one. As you can see, this is the Maddox, and number 6 actually fits right in right there. So put this on there. It's magnetic, but yep, and then just use that like a regular brake caliper. Now for these, we're gonna need to hold this right here in order to get this bolt out. These two bolts are the same, so they'll keep turning. If you don't, this is a 13, my bad. That's a 13 millimeters. Then you have the two triple square. That's a 14 triple square for the back here. And it's easier to just go from the bottom because there's not a lot of room from the back and the front here, or kind of from here, from that side. But once that's done, that's pretty much it. I did paint my new ones here black, and the inside, because you can see, and the edge as well, because you can see they all get rusted real quick. Let me see here. What else do I need? See, this one had a nice gouge in there, but the pads are actually not, they're okay. So I guess somebody had changed them because they're pretty much like halfway there compared to the new ones. If I can find them here, I think they're in the car. I'll get them, but hang on. So here are the new pads. They look the same, and of course they're the same because I already put the other one in. So that's the paint right there, and that's how it looks once it's done. So here's the second one finished. Everything is done. I just gotta tighten that, but as you can see, I put all the lug nuts just to test fit it to make sure it was center. Fits perfectly fine. I need to tighten that little bolt or screw, and I even broke my 3/8 ratchet, my Easy Red, doing the 14. What is that? 14 millimeter bracket bolt. That triple square. It's pretty tight back there, but that tooth broke, so I guess I'm stronger, a little stronger than I thought. But anyway, so that's done. These are tight, and as you can see, I put a coat of paint on here and on the edges, because over time they look like crap as soon as you take them out, and you can't read anything on here. And I did the inside as well. So there you have it. The Detroit axle, rotors and pads. It took me longer because I decided to paint those. Not the prettiest. I got a little paint on there, but that's gonna go away pretty as soon as you brake, so that's not a big deal. But yeah, that's it for these. I didn't do a whole video because it's pretty similar to what I've done before on the hub, which I changed on this side. So there's no point in doing that. And so again, it's just these two bolts, the two from the brackets, and then that one, and that comes out, everything comes out, and you just gotta turn it, and you're done.